We have a vlogging, no? This is the way going to the property, 4.2 hectares for 4.5 million pesos. 4.5 million pesos. It's a clean title. So from the highway or from the concrete road, this is a rough road. There is a rough road for around 1 kilometer. So 1 kilometer ang rough road, guys. In the meantime, the road is really not good, no, dili maayo, because of the construction of the bridge or the spillway, ilagi tarong, no, because it was flooding. So mag-flooding dito diha dapita sa una. So gumikan adto nga kuan, nag-construction man sila, man naguba gyud ang karsada. So you need to bring an off-road car or kanang pick up lang imong dalon kay aron dili ka maglisod. Pero kung auto, mo ginay resulta, lisod-lisod yun. So this is the spillway now going to the property. Pero karon habog na siya, guys. It's a bridge na. This is the flood control, no? Flood control issue, no? Flood control. Mao gini siya. Maayo na kayo. Then this road will be going to a paved road because it was declared as tourism road. So gamuning tourism road connecting to the Bayungan Dam, the largest dam in the Philippines. So gamon kuno ni nga tourism road. So nanay budget ko na 200 million. Diin po na nilagi ka ng figure, basta maunay istorya. So from the barangay road or tourism road going to the property, just only 20 meters. Now we are here inside to the container van. Ato lang nagidritso, no? Mao ni sulod sa container van, container house. So manang owner, no? As per requested by the prospect, no, kuan say ko ni sulod ng container house. Mo ni, this is the inside, no, inside the container house. Ano siya, ready to move in na ka, guys, ready to move in. So mana ni lock, no. So willing yun si owner mo, say, no, kay iya magyug ipakita tanan. So nindot kayo, no, see. Puyo na lang ka diretso. And this is the surrounding. These are the surroundings, no? Mana it's part of the property. Kita na to gawas. So ana, developed na, it was already developed, no? That is the goat house, na goat house. Then so you need to plant immediately. Gusto ka mo tanom, mala, pwede na. There is also a deep well, no? With kuan pa, guys, with deep well with nanay water pump, deep well with water pump. So basikan ng kanding pakapina na, I'm not sure na, basta mana na ang gibuhat sa owner. So this is the cow house or money cattle house ni. Money yung butangan sa mga baka in the future, no. So as you can see, there are coconut trees of the property. So temporarily, no, na siya gitawag chicken farm, kanang manok-manok lang ginagmay. Yeah, guys, so yang gi kuag net, surrounded by net, no, ilang fence it net ang yang fence. And that is the farmhouse pod, guys, where the owner is staying, no, naamang tag-iya, wala man mulakaw. But after this, they are planning to migrate naman in Canada. That is the reason why they are going to sell the property. So mana na, no? So this is the kuan deep well, no, with water pump. So yes, so this is the farm, guys, no, mana ang farm. So it has kuan papaya also, no, naanasan sa mga papaya. That is the container house kana, guys, no. Mao to ang primerong gisudlan na to. So nindot kayo, ready to operate na guys. Neighborhood nindot kayo kay medyo gamay ra ang neighbor, mingaw, quiet place, ideal to farming gid ka. This is the drone video. Kanang nalimpyo guys, those clean, no? That is part of the property. Kanto part na siya property guys, kanang nalimpyo. As you can see, there are coconut trees and rice field. So mauna siya guys, ana na ang atong property nga ginabaligya. So nindot kayo, no? So again, no, there is an impounding. Pag di ka maglisod og you have a cattle or cow, so these are those with clean, no? Kita na container house, the farmhouse, neighborhood. Na impounding guys, no? Duha ka buok, 2 pest pond. So you can convert into a pest pond pod na guys, ha? Imo lang buhian. So hayre kay this is open, no? Open to all pa. So this one guys, no, there is a small house that was the caretaker's house before, but no more caretaker anymore. The owner will the one in the property. So mana siya guys, as you can see, the rice field, no, surrounded with rice field, no. That is see, rice field. So kini ni valley guys, kini ni valley, these are the rice fields, part of the property. So as you can see, no, so the other house, no, tungtos unahan is the house of the priest, no, and that is already along the main road or the concrete road. So mana siya guys, no, ang sitwasyon. So from the container house going to the barangay road or main road. So mana siya guys, you can see the main road or the barangay road later, but according to them lagi, it will become a paved road. Mahimon lagi ng concrete road pohon. Kay na lagi kuno na budget nga 200 million. So mo connect na dito sa Bayungan Dam sa San Miguel, katong largest dam in the Philippines panahon ng Gloria. Mana siya guys nga what kay ba in the future. Then the owner is planning to increase his price, pero I told him not to continue increasing the price, but he said he has already so many improvements, so that is why he's planning to increase. For now, not yet. So dili sa ko, no. So natay gi ko ano. So as you can see from that house, no, that is already the barangay road going to the property. Mga kuan na guys, mga more or less na mga 30 meters away from the barangay road and soon to be concrete. So the property we are selling is really a good property, no. Nindot kayo pang residential farming, or even you can do it into a resort development. Pwede gid siya, pwede ra gyud, okay ra gyud kayo, kaya ra gyud guys makahimo kag resort development kay, because it's really a big property. It's 4.2. But if you are planning, for example, livestock, this is really good also. So nindot yun kayang property. There are 2 ponds, no, duha ka fish pond. So mo ni siya guys. So you can see the farmhouse, the chicken farm, so the container van. So mo na siya guys, no. So this is not part of the property, kaning gipangtamnan og mga kuan ay mga, but still property of the owner, but is not included to the 4.2. It has a separate title. Ana siya guys, separate ang titulo ana guys, but he is going to retain. It is around 3,000 square meters. Iya lang po nang i-retain kini niya, kini kanang iyang gibarugan. So that is not part of the property, not a part of the sale, no, dili na appeal sa baligya kini. Dili ni appeal sa baligya guys, sikbit lang that is the adjacent. So this is the video guys, no, going connecting the road, barangay road going to the property. So atong gikawaan ni siya nga mo connect. It is already a 3 meters road right away. Mura lang gamay tanawon, pero it has a 3 meters wide road right of way. Road right of way, 3 meters wide. So as you can see, there is a barangay road, no, in front of the house. That is the what we call tourism road again, no. So see, that's the tourism road. According to them, that's the tourism road. The budget of that tourism road is 200 million. So clear na kaayo. So makita na to ang karsada nga ni connect sa road right of way. So kana dali ra kay tultulon kana nga balay, dayon connect to the road right of way, iniliko gamay, then to the property. So muna siya guys. So sa unahan ani nga balay, there are foreigners that living in the area. So this is our property, no. Ano man ato gibaligya, mao ni ginisya tenan. This is the property we are selling. That's yeah. There is a house, farmhouse. There is a, kita na tong container house, goat house, cow house. Tapos unahan gamay katong caretaker's house, pero wala na sila caretaker dia. Only the owner is living in the area. So mao na naka-advantage sa nga property guys. See? Pero katong hawan din ito appeal, no. These are all they are included. So kita na to container house, the farmhouse of the owner, no. Okay, thank you very much. So farmhouse sa owner, kana sa wala siya guys. Then to adi tong deep well, ibutangan po atop. Okay, thank you.